welcome to the Atomic Museum. It's formerly known as the National Atomic Testing Museum, a Smithsonian-affiliated institution that explores the history of science and cultural impact of the nuclear testing program at the Nevada test site.
We just going there for Fallout stuff mainly.
Yeah.
You know, so
The
not
Fallout
even gonna
exhibit.
lie.
Have a look at some atomic bombs. What they got here: key exhibits and experiences, Ground Zero Theatre, a high-impact simulation that replicates the light, sound, and sensory experience of an above-ground nuclear detonation. The world of Fallout, Atomic Odyssey, and rare artifacts. Yeah. So let's go. Fragment of the Berlin Wall. Look at that. Berlin Wall, former barrier.
Oh my God, it's a World Trade Center.
Oh, it's a bit from the World Trade Center. Look at that.
Oh wow.
Do not touch. Please touch carefully, sharp edges. World Trade Center, I-beam. Wow.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Cornwall Vault Dwellers and Wasteland Wanderers. Can you find these special elements in the Fallout universe hidden in the Atomic Museum? A Vault Boy, Pit Boy, NCR, Lunchbox, Lucky 38 token, Caps, Grognak the Barbarian. Cool. Let's go. Establishment in the NTS. Since 1951, 100 atmospheric and 820 conducted in the test site. Wow. Oh.
Nazis.
Nazis. A Fallout find is close by. What can we find?
Ooh.
What can we find? A Fallout. What can we find? It's not the salt
Where's
tablets.
Oh, 38.
Yeah, lucky 38 coins.
So what happens now then?
Don't know. Just find them. It's fun. It's like a little scavenger hunt. Cool.
Maybe what happens?
Do you tick them off the list?
Maybe.
You might get a little thing at the end, a cap or something.
Atom bombs, atom bombs, atom bombs. Where you sow atom bombs, you and I walk your name with me alive. Atom bombs, where you atom bombs, atom bombs, atom bombs. When you say atom bombs, you and I hope your name when we alive. Atom bombs, where you? There is light that travels that behavior. Does your little giddy eyes take care? Girlie, when you're feeling nothing's good, Girlie, when you really care for it.
Push the button to start the show. Roma?
Huh?
Do I push the button? Ready?
Go for
I'm
it.
pushing the button.
I've seen a lot of atmospheric tests, and I've been in a lot of underground.
Atom bombs, where you let me your star. Atom bombs, where you?
Tell me a Fallout fact.
Oh my God!
What's their currency?
It's the caps.
Caps.
Coca-Cola
What sort?
caps.
Coca-Cola caps. Bottle caps.
Bottle caps.
Ah.
Coca-Cola caps.
What's the dog's name in Fallout?
Meat. Dog meat.
Meat. Dog meat.
It's exciting. It's a lot to look at.
Name a monster from Fallout.
Ghoul.
Ghoul, that's a good one. I would have said deathcore.
Yeah, that's what I
But, you
wanted
know.
to say, but I forgot.
Yeah. Cap stash. There they are.
yeah, that's
Stash
it.
of caps.
Yeah.
There you go. Found that one. Thank you. So that was cool. That was really cool.
That was amazing.
Yeah, the Atomic Museum. Brilliant.
Really worth money and time. It's
Yeah.
really interesting.
What was it? $29 a person?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, you get
It's always cheaper to get it online.
online. Yeah, we booked online before we came. Nice garbage truck ruining our bags. But it's fine. It's fine.
Photobombing.
Photobombing us, yeah. But that was really, really, really interesting. Seeing the history of the atom bomb and how they tested it in Nevada, not too far from where we are actually. And they had that. We didn't film it, but they had a theatre, sort of time showings where you can sit in the theatre and experience the shockwave of a atomic bomb.
Yeah, that was interesting. It was kind of scary.
It was scary, yeah, because you had a flash of the screen, the big white flash, and then all the benches were rumbling because they had big sort of bassy speakers, didn't they?
Yeah.
So you could kind of get the effect of the aftershock, I suppose you'd call it. Here we got a little souvenir coins, souvenir caps, and our little pennies from the penny machines. It's going to go in our little collage.
Yep.
Vegas Part 2. Now we are waiting for an Uber. And we are going to the Peppermill for lunch, which we're really excited about. To see more on our visit to Peppermill, check out our Day 1 Part 1 video. But that's it for the Atomic Museum, so thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.
Don't go prudential.